How to fix desktop icons missing. For the first method, head over to search and type in Run, and then type in App, Data, click on Enter, head over to View, and then click on Show, and then click on Hidden Items. Make sure that it's checked, and then we're going to head over to Local, and then we're going to scroll down to the very bottom. Then we're going to right-click on Icon Cache, we're going to click on Show More Options, then we're going to delete it. After we do that, we're going to head over to Search and type in Task Manager, click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to scroll down until we find Windows Explorer. There is click on it and a click on Restart task, and this should fix the problem for the second method. Right? Click on the app they're trying to get the icon back for, and then head over to Properties and then click on Change Icon, and it might appear over here, and then click on OK and click on OK again. If that's still not working, head over to any web browser, and then type in the application with logo, and then PNG at the end. And then you just want to download it. Once it's downloaded, head over to PNG, to ICO, Converter, click on it, and then convert the file, and then head over to the desktop app. Right, click Connect, click on Properties, and then click on Change Icon, and then click on Browse, and then it should be in your Downloads folder, and you could just select it, and then click on OK twice. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.